Hey guys, Angie here. Today I'm going to tell you about my Fiskars weed puller. This is a hand weeding tool that operates by leverage here. And the way you work this is you kind of stab this around the roots of the weed that you want to pull up, kind of go in like that, and then you use your leverage and you pry that weed out of the ground. This has a nice broad handle. It's got a flat thumb support there, which I also like. You have a little loop here if you want to hang it up, or a hole if you want to hang it on a hook. I've used this in gravel, which I hope you can see the scratches that are on it there. I've given this a good work through, and I think it does a pretty good job. There's a certain type of weed that it works better on, but if you can get this little spear around the roots right here, you're going to be able to use that leverage to get just about any weed up out of the ground. Let's go give it a try and see what it looks like. So you can see I got a little piece of crabgrass in my flower bed. You're just going to stab that in there, use some leverage, and it just loosens that right on up, and you can pull that straight out of there. Here we've got a little bit different shaped weed, but again, you can see you just take that, stab it down in there, use your leverage, and it pulls it right out and gets roots and everything. Base of our plant here, get the mulch out of the way, stab that in there, a little bit of leverage, and out it comes. It's a really effective tool. It's super easy to use. You've got a wide grip handle with a nice flat thumb spot, and with this much of a wide leverage point, it's really easy to get up under that weed and lift it out. If you're looking for a good hand weeding tool, I would definitely check out Fiskars.